Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
Apparently, the Federal Reserve is finally coming to terms with the fact that CBDCs are the future. Now, I've told you guys more than once that pretty soon, U.S. government will have its eyes on CBDCs, and now it's actually happening. You know what that means for XRP, right? Big things are coming our way, and it's about time. We should now be preparing our wallets for the next crypto bullish trend, and XRP will be at the top. Tether wants to further reduce the holding commercial debt, and it's also about to face questions on what this currency is actually backed by. That's a huge red flag. Now hold up, are you guys still holding your cash in fiat? I mean, with all these issues that this crypto faces, are you still buying Tether? Okay, is it me, or do you guys live under a rock? Let's be honest, Tether is not the crypto for us and probably wasn't ever meant to be the bridge currency between crypto and fiat. Guys, I do think Tether is about to fall. And unfortunately, since we do have Tether XRP pairs, XRP will also fall slightly. The same thing will happen to all cryptos, including the hailed false crypto king Bitcoin. But XRP, it's going to survive the storm. And do you know why? Regulation clarity. XRP is the first crypto in the whole crypto market that will get a clear regulation clarity. This tweet from Digital Asset Investor made perfect sense, and I thought it worth sharing. A time will come when this crypto will only remain for retailers or accredited investors. Probably the reason why the SEC decided to go for them. But in more than one occasion, I've stated that there's a bigger game being played here behind the scenes. One that even you might not know about. That's why I keep saying the future is XRP, and all you have to do is believe in the facts I present. The news and other platforms will likely cover your eyes from seeing the truth, and that's the game. Once this crypto starts to move, it will likely be too late for you to make retirement profits. Now, what do I mean by retirement profits? Making so much money that you'll never ever have to work again. And the truth is finally exposed. Stefan points out at an article that gives us the best word to be used when talking about what the SEC is doing in court. I mean, now everything is in black and white. Nobody ever said this word until now. The SEC might be showing corrupt behavior, and that's what will lead to settlement or the end of this lawsuit. Guys, it's finally time for this lawsuit to end. The SEC has been called out for their actions. And that's not all. Another article also points out on the same that the SEC knowingly overlooked Hinman's behavior. We are now at the end game, guys. Now, I've told you this before. The SEC should have settled when the time was right for them. Now, all that will happen is that they'll end up embarrassing themselves in front of the whole nation. The whole world will see the true colors of this regulatory body. I don't know why they didn't settle. If they did, they could have saved their name and reputation. Now, all the cards are on the table. If the SEC continues pursuing this lawsuit, they will likely find themselves in a real pickle. And finally, the SEC will be forced to settle to save the government from the embarrassment. That's exactly why I am still bullish on XRP. Yep, sure, this currency has dropped significantly after the lawsuit, but that was a planned attack on the crypto. If it were any other cryptocurrency, it would have barely made it. Thanks to XRP's fan base and Ripple, this crypto is slowly rising from the ashes. Now it's all just a matter of how bad does the regulatory body want to continue fighting Ripple. If they keep pushing, then that's the end of this body. That's because every crypto that the regulatory body is eyeing are now checking what's happening with Ripple. And when the lawsuit is finally over, I doubt this body will have the guts to mount any case against other altcoins. Soon enough, XRP will be even more powerful than the whole crypto market combined. And when that happens, we expect that this coin will remain in the hands of the retailers, and they could possibly buy the current XRPs in the market at a high price. So now is the perfect time to stock up on your XRP. But what if Gary and his team shorted XRP? That's the reason why they don't care about what happens next. They probably made a lot of money from this currency's price drop that now they don't even care. I mean, how don't they see what the whole world is seeing? Gary and his team are being exposed, yet they still keep pursuing this crypto? That's something I'll never understand. Anyway, XRP is the best anti-inflation currency you can purchase at the moment. Time now to take a look at the charts. XRP got rejected on the 1-week MA50. That's the blue trend line, you see, for the second time in 2 months. Now, basically, it has been trading below the 1-week MA50 for the whole year. At the same time, it has been trading under the bearish pressure of the lower highs trend line since the April 2021 high. This is not unfamiliar territory for XRP, as every single cycle it traded has formed lower highs. Based on the past 2 cycles, there are 2 scenarios that arise. A, if the 1-week MA200, the orange trend line. I mean, how don't they see what the whole world is seeing? Gary and his team are being exposed, yet they still keep pursuing this crypto? That's something I'll never understand. Anyway, XRP is the best anti-inflation currency you can purchase at the moment. Time now to take a look at the charts. XRP got rejected on the 1-week MA50. That's the blue trend line, you see, for the second time in 2 months. Now, basically, it has been trading below the 1-week MA50 for the whole year. At the same time, it has been trading under the bearish pressure of the lower highs trend line since the April 2021 high. This is not unfamiliar territory for XRP, as every single cycle it traded has formed lower highs. Based on the past 2 cycles, there are 2 scenarios that arise. A, if the 1-week MA200, the orange trend line, and mainly the higher lows zone hold, then, as in 2016, a channel, the green, should lead the price above the 1-week MA50 again, and ultimately to a new rally. B, if the 1-week MA200, the orange trend line, and mainly the higher lows zone break, then, as in 2019, the price should make one final lower low and form the market bottom there. Based on the 1-week RSI sequence, it appears that the lower highs broke, that's the dashed line on the RSI area. It looks more like the bottom formations both late 2016, early 2017, and early 2020. As for the expected target, in our view, it will be around the 2.5 historic Fibonacci extension at $6.70. On now to Bitcoin. Well, the bearish bias we mentioned yesterday for Bitcoin based on the SPX relation remains active. The altcoins will remain shaky, but still within higher lows until they resume to hit new highs compared to the recent bullish wave. I hope this information can help you with your planning and your trades. As always, do your own research and always trade safely, guys. And continued prayers for the people of Ukraine.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.